Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can work in Pipedrive or make it as most fun for you and as much possible for you and for your colleagues to get the maximum out of it. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account at pipedrive.com or log into our existing account. Straight away we are greeted with our workspace. As you can see, we can go to the top right corner, click on your initials and start by the company settings. As you can see, there's the name of the company, company domain, some activities, but there are no activities yet. Currencies, we have all the currencies to pick from. And last reasons, we have users. At this moment, we have only one. But you can add more employees or more colleagues, members of your Pipedrive group and so on. There are some data and so on and so on. So how can we start and set up our Pipedrive account? We first need to explore our sidebar, which is leads. We don't have any lead, but we'll get there in a moment. Leads, deals, yet again, no leads yet. We can set up the email through Pipedrive. We have some activities, contacts, insights, and products. Straight away, we want to go to the contacts. Once we're at contacts, we want to start by picking people, organization on contact timeline. On people, we want to add a new person. As you can see, I already added one, but let me show you how we can do more. Straight away, we want to start with a name. Let's go with Page Dallas, for example. I don't know. Organization Dallas Dolls, for example. Label is a customer, hot lead, warm lead, or cold lead. Those three are basically like how you feel about this customer, if it's a hot lead, warm lead, or cold lead. But let's make it just a customer. We can make up some telephone number, it's work, email, like this, and owner, let it be me. We can save this contact right now. Straight away, since you fill out the organization at those contacts, we have new organizations straight away. So we can click on this organization. You can add the address. Those, yeah, let's go like this. Save. People, you can add more people to this organization if you get to know them better and you get more IDs. Deals, followers, it's me, email, and so on and so on. Now we have no activities for them yet, but we can make an activity. Straight away we can pick if it's a call, if it's a meeting, task, deadline, email, or lunch. We can go with a lunch. We can pick the spot like this, for example, the 17th of August at 12:15 till 1:30. It's busy or free. Let's go with free. Now we can get the note. We can pick a deal or people. As you can see, Page Dallas will be invited and it will be dear old lead. We can come back to that a bit later. We press save and straight away we have booked at Madatsova 5 tomorrow at 12:15, me and some girl named Page Dallas. As I said, we can go straight to leads. we can add a new lead. Now that we have two contact members, which is Marcus and Paige. Let's go to leads, add a lead. Organization, let's go with Paige Dallas. Organization, Dallas Dolls. It's already in there. Value, we can go for 50,000 euros. Labels, make it hot. I'm the owner. Phone, everything is there. You can just press save. And as you can see, next activity, there's no activity at the moment. You can go back to contacts, back to Mrs. Page account, and go to activities. As you can see, we have either call, notes, and so on, but there should be, one moment, there should be already booked event for tomorrow. We can click on those three dots and click on edit, and now we can pick the deal. There's Dallas Dolls lead that we created a couple of moments ago. And we hit save, activity saved. We can pick more activities, we can propose time with them, call them, email them, or pick a file. So basically anything you like, some documents and so on. When we go to leads, as you can see, the first lead is Dallas Dolls lead. Tomorrow at 12:15 lunch, we are go through 50,000 euros deal, and so on, so on, and so on. You have everything you need here, and that's the beauty of Pipedrive. Everything is really on one place, so you can track your meetings, your calls, everything you need to have the successful day. We can also go to deals. We can add a deal. Contact person, we can go with Mrs. Page. Value 50,000. Save. Hit again. As you can see, it's about 50,000 deal. Activities, we can set up more. And as you can see, it's just 0 days passed since I created this, but straight away you can mark it if you won or if you lost this deal. So let's go with lost, because I wasn't ready, for example. Lost reason, well, she couldn't make it. Mark as a lost. And now this deal will be marked lost because of the reasons that I've added. So that's really how you can manage your meetings and basically everything. You can also add mail, for example, connect your email, sales inbox and stuff like that. Add a new account. You can synchronize your contacts, your calendars, Google Drive. Also, you can use it on your phone, not just on your desktop. Notifications, if you want to get buzzed by Pipedrive. Tools and apps, workflow automation. For example, if you want to start with some integrations, that's very useful, for example, for Microsoft Teams or Calendar and all the other stuff. You can basically link, as I said, the emails, drafts, and stuff like that. insights. There should be only one, the one that we lost to that she couldn't come. If we want to straight up with organization, we can straight away start an organization with a name. For example, coffee company, label hot lead, address, I don't know, 18, for example, save, and it again, we created just the company. So that's about it. We can still track our activities tomorrow. And as I said, it will make your work day a lot easier. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.